said it. I had just felt a little bump on mine too, though. Yeah. Felt a little tug. Had to set up the shelter today. The W was strong. Give a little look out here. All right. Sweet. Nice. It's in that hole for just a couple minutes. Oh yeah. Yeah, not too big. My drag's a little loose. Looser than it feels. Tighten it up a little bit. Click. Nice. All right. Yeah. Got one. See if I'm even recording. Oh yeah, good. Right on. Yeah. Well, hey. That was a nice move. It's nice when it happens in minutes.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Thanks. All right, on. That was the first one for the day. We've been out here for a couple hours. Dustin was on first thing in the morning. Got a couple. I kind of helped bring one up. He was a little ways away getting the second hole set up. That was the first one with my rod, though. That was nice. Been in that hole for just a few minutes. Paid off. Move. All right, on to the next one. Just gonna have to find another one. That one fell apart. Alright, here we go. Moments away from the next fish. Ready? What's up, guys? Out here in Antero. Just landed the first one for the day a little bit ago. Dustin's got two on. Just out here chilling. Nice day. Had one good shutter on the ice. No big deal though. Got a lot of the W. Got one rod out there. That's where I just popped one. Got another rod set up in here. What up? Got a little setup in here so the dock can stay dry and warm. Got a cool little setup going on down there, a little jungle. Chill right here and look through the window. Gotta keep an eye on that thing. This is for it to pop. hard out here. Look at that thing stretching. Yeah, you saw a drop bobbing around?
Yeah.
Darn. Little snack time. Some nice beef jerky. Oh yeah. It is so windy out here. It's gotta be 50-mile-an-hour gusts. Tent is under constant strain. You see that? See how it's bent? Should all normally look like that. A little corner right there is just constantly under pressure. It's kind of coming in this way, but then sometimes it comes in this way as well. The usual. It's fun. Welcome to the jungle. It's awesome down there. See ya. Alright. Hey, it continues. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. A little bit of size.
Good one.
A little bit bigger.
Rainbow.
Might have been another cutthroat. Cutbow. Look a little spotty.
Hey.
Where is it? That's all right one, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Oh, it came off. Dude, did you see it? It went down so hard. Oh my God. Oh my God, it was there. What? Oh. Fuck. Man. Man. It hurts sometimes. Definitely hurts missing them sometimes. God, did you see how hard it was pulling?